Hi there, thank you for watching my video today. Today I am going to show you how to make envelope boxes for your 3D cards in 5x7 size. This is a box, it's pretty simple to put together and it is a flip lid card box and it opens up like this to have your cards inside. This is one of the recent cards that I have made for New Year and it has got a bit of dimension to it and it does not fit easily in a regular envelope. So it's better to have these envelope boxes ready at hand. You can make these in advance and put them away flat packed, and whenever you need, you just need to glue the sides and you just need to, have this top ready to mail the cards. So without any further delay, let's just crack on. For the box, you need 2 pieces of cardstock that measure you need 1 piece of cardstock that measures 9 3/4 by 7 1/4 inches, and you need to score on the short side at 1 inch and 6 1/4 inches, and then rotate your cardstock and then score it at 1 inch, at 8 1/4 and 9 1/4 along the long side. Okay, then the other piece that you need is 7 1/4 by 9 1/4 inches, and on the 7 1/4 inches side you need to score at 1 inch and at 6 1/4, and then on the long side, which is your 9 1/4 inches side, you need to score at 1 inch and 8 1/4. So that's all the scoring that you need to do. Let's just quickly burnish all the score lines. Okay, so once you have burnished all your score lines, what you're going to do is, on the small piece, which is the 9 1/4 inches, what you're going to do is, you can see the bottom squares over here, these 2 squares. You need to get rid of both of these squares, and I am going to cut in at an angle. Okay, so that's going to be the base of the box. It's going to fold inside like this. Now on this top piece, what you need to do is, you need to get rid of this center or middle rectangular piece. So rotate your cardstock and cut up these score lines, just up till the score lines, and then what you're going to do is, you're going to fold this flap inside and cut on the score line, and just take this off. Now on these side flaps, just take off just a tad bit. I'm just getting rid of the score line, you can say just this much, so that it doesn't get caught up in the bulk of the box when we are closing it. This was one of the pieces. Now with the longer piece, this is going to be, this is the side with the 1/2 inch tab, and what you're going to do is, you are going to get rid of these 2 corner smaller rectangles over here. You're going to cut these tabs up till the second score line. So you're going to free this part and you're going to take this rectangle off. Okay, I'm just going to take off the score line as well. Okay, and do the same on this side as well. Take this off. Now, because these are going to, or we can just cut these away as well, so just take these off. Yeah, we're going to take these off as well. Now what's going to happen is that this piece is going to wrap around this piece. Okay, so it's going to hug it around it. Now what you want to do is you are going to free these tabs on this part here as well. So I'm going to free these tabs by cutting up till the score line and taking a wedge off of this. And this is something that you are going to get. I'm not taking a wedge off of the tab on the top because I want to be sure that it does not, open up on itself. So let's just now quickly join the box. And I'm going to join the sides first, like this. Okay. So putting glue on the back piece. The larger piece is going to wrap around the box. Make sure that the score lines at the bottom align. Just fold it flat and burnish the sides really well. Do it on the other side too. Okay, now what I like to do is I am going to fold this part in first, then the side tabs, and then this flap. Okay, I feel that this gives it a little bit of more strength. Just fold these down like this and then put glue on this tab and then just fold it like this. Then using your ruler, just now fold in the tabs and let's see if it catches up. Yes, it needs to be trimmed a little bit on this side. So just take just a bit. You do not want to take a lot from this end. And same on this side. Take a wedge off of here as well. Yeah, now it is closed. So here is your card envelope box ready. If I get one of the 5x7 dimensional cards, I'll just put it in. I have these two cards here. Let's just put these in the box. And yeah, it fits perfectly well. So this is the box which you can make to fit in the cards, which are your 3D makes. This will easily fit in as well because this was made for 5x7 as well. So I hope that you have liked today's video. Consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already and give a thumbs up to the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.